There's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful bit of kit here. This is a wing off a Dodge Ram. Same as mine, a D250, D350. 80, I believe it's 81 to 93. But you can see the quality of these wings, real thick, solid metal. Very good nick actually, apart from the bit at the bottom where it's had a bump and someone's filled it. But easy enough to plate and repair. Okay, so if you look at this, you can see this is the bad bit here, which looks like it's actually been double skinned. In fact, yeah, I'd say this wing's actually double skinned. So it basically wants the panel over the top there. But apart from that, not a bad nick at all. Okay, you can see here, pretty good considering how old this thing actually is. If I'll flip him over if I can with one hand. Oh yeah, it is double skinned, bloody hell. Yeah, you can see this is a serious wing. Wow, don't make them like this anymore. God, even got strengtheners in. So yeah, this actually would be a pretty easy repair. But you can see inside all galvanised like most American stuff is. So apart from this bit here, which is obviously the outer skin, it's just been a matter really of cutting this off. Well, you can actually get a repair panel for that anyway from JC Whitney's or one of the other guys. The hard bit you can't buy is all this inside bit, which obviously is what makes it so good and strong. Okay, if you're interested in any great bits, give us a call. Got some 10 studs or 8 studs. Another wing, another bonnet. Okay, front clip is pretty rough, won't bullshit you. But you know, all in all, this stuff's getting very hard to get. But the bonnet, absolutely superb, really good nick. And the tyres, knackered, but I mean the wheel, you know, sandblast that up, pretty cool. The front clip, not that good, but again, repairable. This is the front clip, whatever you want to call it. Gone round the bottom, again, repair panels from JC Whitney available. Okay, this side's a lot better. But even got the headlight adjusters in, which are rare as hell. Rad's missing. Well, basically I bought the whole truck minus the engine and the tram. Got all the prop shafts, everything. And if it's any interest here, I have actually got for sale my monster Featherlight trailer. This is a proper fifth wheel American trailer, not some Mickey Mouse thing made in Europe. Okay, this will haul about 10 tons at least. Ideal if you've got a toy hauler or want to do away days with a guy with a race car who's got bags of money. You've got a door on this side, the whole left side actually opens up. There's an awning goes on it, and you've got a serving hatch literally from either side of the rivets to National Cycle. The whole side, well basically the whole width of the wheel arch opens up, and there's another door here, okay, which is awkward to show you because it's parked against the wall. But if you need any stuff for a Dodge Ram, I've got 94 bits, I've got 95 bits, I've got some 318 parts, I've got pretty well everything you could ever want. Okay, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you. There is some Dodge Ram stuff, by the way, on custom-cruisers or customcruisers.co.uk if you want to look at LPG kits and bully dog parts. We have got stuff on there that's available and very, very cheap. It's around about a 10-year-old at least price. Thank you.